Hello YouTube. Today we are going to see what the ninth cycle does. First, I have to toss it. No.
You're about to see some of the scariest videos floating around the internet. Let's check them out. Daily life. However, a recent video posted by the user has left their followers feeling a little unsettled. In the video, the TikToker is seen lying in bed when they notice a bizarre pattern appear on their curtains.
Looks like a cat.
It almost looks like several tiny hands reaching through the material.
Bye YouTube.